It's Oo, dapat may interview tayo. Ito tayo.
Q&A version tayo ngayon. Hi, Crizel.
Oh, yeah,
How
let's
are
start
you?
it tonight.
How are you with your very...
I think we belong.
Ay, kayo.
kayo muna mag-usap.
Hindi mo na nag-usap.
Alright, so how are you?
Gamitin ng mic.
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, alright. Ito ang question ko sa'yo, Miss Baliweg. Anong preparation na ginawa mo for this competition?
Every day, I have my breathing exercises.
Come again?
Breathing exercises.
Ah, breathing exercise na nag-inhale, exhale.
Nag-Regine Velasquez siya.
Okay.
Hindi ka naman nilululog ng tatay mo.
Oo nga.
Hindi naman.
Sa tubig.
Right.
O
So,
kaya
ang
sa tubig.
kakantahin mo ngayon is Alone. Right?
Alone. Gusto mo isa ka na lang?
Hindi. Sino bang nag-popularize ng Alone?
I think it's hard.
Oh, hard. Tapos yung kinanta nila sa production number ay
Frente.
Frente at saka New Order din, di ba? Kasi Bizarre Love Triangle. So, yun. Okay, so, eto. So,
So,
are we
huwag na
ready?
natin patagalin.
Huwag na natin patagalin. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Baliweg!
Crisel Joy Ramos.
So very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end alone. Until now, I always get by on my own. I never really get until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and time. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was hoping to tell you tonight. The secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown.
That was Crisel Joy Ramos of Barangay Baliweg. Thank you so much, Crisel. And so, may we have our next singing idol on stage? Miss Justine De Pase o Barangay Nagpatayan. Eto. Matitino kasi last week siya yung nag-top ng ating score sa ating mga judges. Saan dito mga taga Nagpatayan? Dito man na. Okay, how are you? How are you, Justin? How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful tonight. Who made you up? Sino nag-make up sa'yo?
Si Kuya Haim.
Okay. Masalamatan mo siya kasi ang ganda-ganda mo ngayong gabi.
Thank you, Kuya Haim.
Okay, anong preparation na ginawa mo para ngayon, para sa competition na ito? For this battle? Anong ginawa mo? Nag-practice. So, you will be singing I Will Always Love You, popularized by Whitney Houston. So, alam natin, magaling siya. So, eto mga kaibigan, let's give it up for Miss Justine De Pase o Barangay Nagpatayan. Take it away.
May snap pa tayo. Justin Tepase. So may we call on our third singing idol from Barangay Sinamar, Beverly Shenda. Hi Beverly.
Hi, sir.
Yes. So estudyante ko po siya noon. How are you feeling tonight?
Okay, sir.
Mabuti yan. So ano naman ang pakiramdam ng nakapasok sa top 10?
Siyempre, sir, masaya.
Masaya? Sigurado ka?
Yes, sir.
So ano dapat yung gawin mo para, kung magtuloy-tuloy ka pa?
Mas gagalingan ko, sir.
Okay. So tingnan natin kung talagang mas gagalingan mo pa. Ha? Ladies and gentlemen, to sing Ikaw, may we all welcome Beverly Shenda.
Thank you very much, Beverly. And now, let us call on the singing idol from Bumidog, Gerald Agustin, on stage. Ayan, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Alright, that's good. So how are you feeling?
A little bit nervous.
Huwag kang nervyusin kasi kayang-kaya mo naman to. So, anong ginawa mo naman para makaprepare para sa kakantahin mo ngayon?
Since alam ko naman kahit konti yung kanta, pinaulit-ulit ko na lang na pinakinggan tapos pinag-aralan ko.
Alright, that's good. So, ano yung ulit yung kakantahin mo?
Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan by
Na,
Basil.
na pinasikat ni...
Basil Valdez po.
Ayan. So, again, ladies and gentlemen, the singing idol from Barangay Bumitaw, Gerald Agustin.
Thank you so much, Gerald Agustino, Barangay Bumito. Ganito sang hanggang sa dulo ng wala hanggang. Okay, by Basil Valdez. Now let's move on to our next singing idol, Nino Frederick Manuel o Barangay Imelda. Asan dito mga taga-Imelda, supporters ni Nino? Ito, matitito. Hello Nino, how are you doing tonight?
Okay lang naman po.
Okay, ano kaya, sana mo, anong rank mo last week? Hindi ko pa Lules? Perhaps sa akin, nasa 2 or 3 ka ata. Sa akin lang ha, pero ngayong gabi, what were the necessary adjustments you made? Kasi nga, yung genre mo, pag alam ko, is R&B, and you will be singing Tuwing Umuulan by E-Head. So anong mga adjustment, anong preparations ginawa mo for this?
Medyo nag-practice po ako ng maigi. Pero may mga ibang parts po na medyo binigyan ko lang.
I'd say it's R&B. Okay, that's good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's all give it up for Nino Frederick Manuel, Barangay Imelda.
tuwing umuulan piling ka.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Nino Frederick Manuel, Barangay Imelda. Thank you so much.
Althea Laureano of Barangay Lorenzo. So good evening. Ninervous ka ba? O, relax lang. How did you prepare for tonight? So inulit-ulit lang. Practice lang. So I heard my advice yung judges natin sa iyo last Saturday. So for you to improve, dapat gawin mo yung in-advise nila, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, sing the song, Bakit? Ayun, ito yung question na pinakaayaw ko. Bakit? Let us all welcome Althea Laureano.
Simulat sa pulang kita, nalalaman mo, walang-wala sa isip ko, naiwanan mo, ang akala
Singing idol who happens to be from Barangay Valenciano, Jasper Ramos. Anong kakantahin natin ngayon?
Open arms.
Open Arms na pinasikat ng
Journey.
pero sinong singer? Ayan, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the singing idol from Barangay Valenciano, Jasper Ramos.
Lying beside you, in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and I'm here all by my side. So now I come to you with open arms and nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, and I hope when you say what you love means to me. Open arms. Living without you and living alone, this empty house so cold. And wanted to hold you, and wanted you near, and how much I wanted you home. But now that you come back tonight into it, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms and nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, and I'm hoping you say what your love means to me. Open arms. Open arms.
Thank you so much, Jasper Ramos of Barangay Valenciano. Barangay Estebanan. Miss Michelle de la Cruz. Hello, Michelle. How are you? Michelle, she's from Barangay Estebanan. Okay. Meron ka bang gusto masalamatan, Michelle? Meron ba?
Napasalamatan ko yung barangay kapitan namin si Emmanuel Agpalas.
Okay, sino pa wala na?
Mga pamilya ko na sumusuporta sa akin.
Inspirasyon? Wala naman. Ah, okay. Ang kakantahin mo ay kung may babalik ko lang. Sino kumanta nito originally?
Si Regina.
Ah, Regina Velasquez. So, anong ginawa mo dito? sa inyong preparation?
Nag-practice ako po ng maayos para makuha yung magandang pagkakaroon.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, may we have Ms. Zell de la Cruz o Barangay K.S. Nevada.
Pinalipas ko
Thank you very much, Michelle. Let's call on our next Louie Aguidan. Hi Louie, good evening. How are you? Ano daw? Okay, so you will be staying right here waiting. Kanino mo naman inaalay itong kanta na to? Speechless siya. Oo, sige, let's just assume na may isa sa audience natin ngayon na pinag-aalayan ng right here waiting. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome singing idol of Barangay Kadagtagen, Louie Aguidan.
Hello, Colleen. Looking good. Alright. So, I think you're going to sing Saving All My Love for You. So, who sang that song? Alright, that's good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on stage is the singing idol from Barangay Kalimkim, Ma Ira Colleen Arias.
You are safe.
The Who.
You are safe. Singing idol number. Singing idol number 1.
Singing idol number 1 is from Barangay.
Please occupy the eastern part of the stage, please.
Go on.
Singing idol number seven. 7 is
Just
from Barangay Valencia. And singing idol number 10.
Maria Ira Colleen Arias from
Barangay.
Barangay
A little
Kaligay.
bit pa sa eastern part. A little bit more. Or
So you three are already safe.
okay.
Congratulations.
Question, mga audience, sino kaya ang nag-top ngayong gabi dito sa tatlo?
Ano daw?
Ano?
Louder?
Dito may narinig ako, number Dito banda?
10 dito, 10.
10. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, ang rank number 1 ngayong gabi ay si Singing Idol number. You are right, Singing Idol number 10.
So siya ang pipili ng...
So,
May we call
ang ating mga ZIPs, please do the honors.
Ayan, so eto na yung ating mga mahiwagang folders.
our
Ano ba?
general ladies, ladies pa lahat. Ay, hindi pa.
Ladies.
Ladies and gents.
Ayan.
So, last
So
na
si
yung
Colleen ang
kamay.
pipili ngayon.
Oo, nasa
Kung ano
kanyang
ang
kamay.
kakantahin nila next week.
Ang kanilang lock for next week. What number do you choose?
Pag na-pick yung 80s, syempre, tapos na 80s na tayo.
Ay, hindi na.
Hindi
Okay,
na.
so na-remove na po yung yung 80s dyan. Okay. So, ilang genres na tayo? Ay, na
7 tayo ngayon.
7. Okay. So,
Anong number?
Anong favorite number mo, Colleen?
Limit to call a friend? 50-50 ba?
Call a friend?
Switch tayo.
Phone a friend. Come on. Na-overwhelm siya kasi ng round number 1 ikaw naman.
Kaya mo yan.
Nag-sing in. Kasi sing in lang.
Number 6.
Number 6. Wow.
Please move forward, oh. Please move forward. Candidate
Number 6. For further evaluation. Please open.
Oldies.
Ayan.
Open natin lahat.
Lahat, i-open natin.
For number 1, rock and roll or rock and roll, rock alternative. Number 2, Tagalog Philippine movie theme songs. 3, R&B. 4, jukebox. 5, pop, mellow dance, disco. 6, yung napili niya, oldest but goodies.
Again.
And 7, country music.
Ayan. So,
Okay. Next
mukhang
Saturday.
next week makaka-relate na naman ako.
Okay. Please move forward. Singing Idol number. Singing Idol number 2. And Singing Idol number 4.
And Jezreel, anong last name niya?
Dito kaya may matatanggal? Ano ka lang doon? May matatanggal ba? Engineer Ricky? Wala daw. Bakit alam mo? Hindi, joke lang. Singing Idol number 2 and singing Idol number 4, you are both safe.
Yes, congratulations.
Okay, moving on. Singing Idol number 5. Ayun. And Singing Idol number
7 and 9. Dito kaya may matatanggal?
Wala. Bakit kasi nagbigay ka ng mga numbers na safe? You are both safe.
Ay,
Congratulations.
safe ba sila?
Oo.
So, tatlo na lang ang naiiwan.
Para naman
Para thrilling.
Oo nga. We have Singing Idol number... Singing Idol number 3. Please move forward. Sige na, lahat na kayo.
Tatlo kayo.
At saka
3, 8, at 6.
3, 8, 6.
Imagine niyo na lang na awarding na tayo.
Ayan.
Oh,
So,
natapos
gusto-
kami ng isang safe dito.
Okay, sige.
A bit forward. Sige pa. Hold hands. Come on. O, ayaw nyo?
You are safe. Singing Idol number. Sino?
Sino?
Singing Idol number 8. You are safe.
Oh, parang nanalo lang ng di ba?
So,
Miss
isa
Universe.
sa mga naiwan ang
talaga.
matatanggal. Uuwi.
We have
Pero,
Singing idols o Barangay Sinamar at saka Barangay Lorenzo.
yan. Pero may chance pa rin namang bumalik. Di ba?
Oo.
May wild card naman tayo.
Ito yung dapat nilang isipin na
Oo.
matanggal man sila ngayon, may chance pa silang bumalik sa December 12.
12, yes.
Yun. Okay! Ano ang gusto niyo?
Kaya wag kayong
Ang
umiyak.
safe pa.
O safe ba? Yung matatanggal na. Safe na lang para...
Most positive.
Oo nga.
No cheating kasi.
Nakakaloka eh. No? Yung young announcement talaga.
Oo nga. You are safe! Singing idol number! Ano? You are safe! Singing idol number 6!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!